7-Day Gout Cure. Say goodbye to gout forever. Are you tired of suffering from gout? Well, we have the solution you've been searching for. Say goodbye to gout forever with our 7-Day Gout Cure. In just 1 week, you can put an end to your gout and reclaim your life. Gout is a painful and debilitating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints, leading to severe pain, redness, and swelling. But with our 7-Day Gout Cure, you can finally find relief. Our scientifically proven solution is designed to target the root cause of gout and provide fast, effective results. By following our simple step-by-step program, you'll start seeing incredible improvements within just 7 days. You'll experience reduced pain, improved mobility, and a decrease in swelling. Say goodbye to those painful attacks once and for all. Our 7-Day Gout Cure is all natural, safe, and easy to follow. We've combined the power of natural ingredients with the latest scientific research to create a breakthrough treatment. Don't waste another day suffering from gout. Take control of your life and try our 7-Day Gout Cure. Join thousands of satisfied customers who have successfully eliminated gout from their lives. But wait, there's more! Order now and receive a free bonus guide on how to prevent gout from ever coming back. We want to ensure your long-term success and happiness. Start your journey to a gout-free life today. Don't let gout hold you back any longer. We guarantee our 7-Day Gout Cure will work for you or your money back.